Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I was looking for the perfect amount of light for my office space. This LED desk lamp from AKRRYR has two light sources. So it's a double-headed lamp with 24 watts. And it has a USB charging port and a wireless charger, as well as 5 different lighting brightnesses available. And the neck is flexible, so it's totally adaptable to whatever your needs are for lighting. It has a huge, wide space of light, but then you can bring the two pieces together and really focus the light exactly where you need it. I love the fact that there's very little glare or shadowing. The height on it brings the light up across my entire desk space, and I have a large desk. Lighting is so important for me to be able to get my work done, especially when it comes to small print, and I wanted a light source that would really cover a wide range, and it really does. This has a huge area of light. I'm very happy with it. It came beautifully packaged, and the directions to put it together were very simple and straightforward. I'm really impressed with how much light I'm able to get from this desk lamp, and the fact that it charges my phone wirelessly has been a huge bonus for me, and that is my point of view.